So today, pag-usapan naman natin ang numerical sequence, sequences, series, and means. So ang topic na ito ay familiar sa inyo, especially in junior high. So gagawin natin ngayon, let's have a quick review, recap, refresh on the topics which I believe ay maliwanag naman sa inyo. So tatargetin natin yung mga definitions and other related problems. So meron tayong tinatawag na numerical sequence. Okay, katulad na nakikita ninyo, is an ordered list of numbers. Ordered means magkakasunod-sunod sila, no, based sa rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, is ordered. 3, 6, 9, 12 as well. Nakikita tayong rule, no? Letter C, 1, 1/3, 1 over 5, 1 over 7, and letter D, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. So, repetitive itong letter D, no? And accordingly, that is still is a sequence. Okay? May tinatawag tayong terms. These are the individual entries in the numerical sequence. So, in letter A, 1, 2, 3, 4 are terms. Finite sequence, ibig sabihin nito, okay, this must be finite. Nabibilang natin, no, kung ilan ang terms. In letter A, nabibilang natin 4 lang ang terms. Okay? Ang infinite naman class, kapansin-pansinin B, C, and D, may nakikita tayong symbol dito, that is ellipsis, ibig sabihin infinite. Okay? Ellipsis indicates that the sequence continues infinitely. The 3 dots are read as and so on. Okay? So pag ginamit itong notation na ito, then we know that continuous yung given sequence. Formula, ang formula naman is like a rule wherein kapag nakikita natin, no, ano kaya yung susunod na term. So mga ganyan tanong, ibig sabihin you are conscious kung ano yung rule or formula na gagamitin para makuha natin yung mga next terms. Just like sequence in B, 3, 6, 9, 12. So mapapansin natin on the first term, we got 3 after multiplying 3 to 1. On the second term, which is 2, 2 times 3, 6. Okay, third term, 3 times 3, 9. Fourth term, 4 times 3, 12, and so on. Okay? The letter with subscripts indicates now kung pang ilang term yung number in the sequence. Okay? So, A sub 1 definitely is the first term, A sub 2 is 6, A sub 3 is 9. And sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, sub 4, distinct sila, no? It refers to the, tawag dito, the order. Okay? And in general, if we use the term, no, the rule 3n, or we are using now the variable, then we are referring to any possible terms in the sequence, A sub n. Series is just getting the sum. Okay? So if you have sequences, get all the terms, add all the terms. So ang tinatawag na natin diyan ay getting the series. Okay? Now, there is another way to indicate the sum using the sigma notation. Series is about getting the sum. So, meron tayong ginagamit na Greek letter to indicate sum, and we call that one as the sigma, the Greek letter, the capital letter sigma. We define the notation as a summation of A sub k. Okay, k here acts as the subscript from k, that is 1 up to n. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, subscripts indicate the order. That is why when we change k from 1, move to 2, 3, and whenever you see this summation notation, that indicates you're getting the sum of all possible terms satisfying the given rule A sub k. So, ito yung kanyang expansion. At bakit siya nag-end sa A sub? Well, that must be A sub n. N, kasi you see here, dapat mag-end ka on the upper bound, n. So, let's have examples, just like here. It starts from 1 and from n to 4. So, we have A sub 1, k, palitan mong k ng 1, plus k ng 2, plus A sub k ng 3, and A sub 4 up to that only. Okay? Because you need the end. sa 4 lang. Okay. But the idea in this case is being to replace no the subscripts k successively from 1, 2, 3, 4, and other results. And so if we're given no this kind of problem, then you can evaluate it. Obviously, you're going to change k from 1 to 3. So k is 1, next one is 2, 3, 4, the sum is 10. This letter k in summation is called the index of summation. Okay? Pero, hindi lang naman k ang pwedeng gamitin, class. Pwede kang gumamit ng iba't ibang letra na gusto mo. There is nothing special about the choice of the letter k. It is your choice what letter do you want to use. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yan. Kayo, choice nyo yun kung anong letra ang gusto mong gamitin para mag-indicate ng index of summation. For instance, you would like to use letter I, then palitan mo ito ng I to indicate no subscripts or the sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can make use of letter, let's say J, where J starts from 1 to 4. Then there's no bearing at all. Okay? So let's try to evaluate the given. So here, number 1, the summation of 2k minus 1 from 1 to 3. So you can see here the sequence. Summation indicates addition. Palitan ang k, mag-start ka sa 1. So here, in green. Okay? Ulit-ulit natin yung rule na 2k minus 1 habang pinapalitan natin ang k from 1 to 3. So 2 times 1 minus 1. 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 gives you 5. And so the answer is 9. Okay? In number 2 naman, you're going to substitute no j from 1 to 4. Then you will have 3 raised to 1. 1, that must be 1. Plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus, move to 2. 2 plus 1 plus 3 raised to 3 plus 1. Now the fourth term, 4 plus 1. Okay, so you got this. 3 squared is 9, 3 cubed is 27, 3 raised to 4 is 81, 3 raised to 5 is 243. Hence the sum is 360. Okay? That is how we evaluate, no? Now, sigma notation is a shorthand for writing sums. So to generalize everything, here, we use the sigma notation to denote a sum. So there is an uppercase here. So kilalanin natin itong mga symbols na ito. The summation of b sub I starts from m to n. Ang m na yan, the lower bound, saan ka mag-i-start. So let's say for example, you can say that you start m from 1, or let m be 1. So mag-start ka sa 1. Or since I is equal to m, where m is any number, possible number. Okay? I here acts as the index of the, well, I can be any letter, let's say K. Siyempre, hindi mo na gagayahin yung M as a representation of the lower bound. Okay? And your end no, is N, where N is the upper bound. So in here, you start from 1. For example, you let this be 1. Then you will have B sub 1 plus B sub 2 plus B sub 3 plus up to B sub N. Okay? So let's try to simplify summations. Here, the summation of I squared from 1 to 3. So this means that you're going to, okay, get here the summation. Mag-start ka sa 1, palitan ng I ng 1, so you have 1 squared. Next, palitan ng 2, plus 2 squared, palitan ng 3. 3 squared, you will have 14. That is 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is 30. And you see here, gumamit naman tayo ng n, no? So, pwede kang gumamit ng kahit anong index of summation. N starts from 1, it ends sa 4. So, 1 over 1 plus n is 2, 1 half, n is 3 is 1/3, n is 4 is 1/4. This is your answer, the sum. And in number 3, let I starts from 3, it ends sa 7. Kaya you need to change I from 3. So move to 4, 5, 6, 7. Add the results. It gives you 50. Take note also, class, you can also get the summation of repeated constant, that is the summation of 3 from 1 to 4, or sa madaling salita 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth, apat na 3, which is 12. Another, k sub I, where I starts from 3. And obviously here, class, there's no value for k as given. Meaning to say, you can only expand. You cannot get the value. There is no k here. K has no value. And I starts from 3 to 7. So you can just expand 3. K sub 3, k sub 4, plus k sub 5, k sub 6, k sub 7. Okay? So how do we write the sums in sigma notation naman? So binalik-baliktad naman natin. Dito naman, tayo ang gagawa ng rule. Example in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If this is your first term, okay, then they might be thinking of, if you let 2 be your first term, then parang nabuo ang 2 after adding 1, no? Pero if you think that 2 is your second term, I mean, then nakikita natin yung representation dito that I starts from 2. Then, and this is your I. So, kaya nakuha ang 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 14. Pero, kung inisip mo na ang 2 is your first term, then you can let n be equal to 1. So, dito, ang mangyayari, the first term add to 1, or n plus 1, no? You might think of n plus 1. So that when n is 1, then the first term is 2. When n is 2, the first term is 3, and so on and so forth. So this must be 30. So these two can be the possible answers, no? Minsan kasi yan depende kung ano yung lower bound mo. Okay? So these two can be possible. In number 2 naman, kapansin-pansin that 1 is a perfect number, perfect square, 2. Makikita natin that this is applicable. This is true. Okay? Again, siya sa 6. As you can see here, square root of 6. Again, if you don't like to use I, you can use of other letter. For example, you make use of M. Then M starts from 1 to 6. Okay? Number 3, very obvious. The cube of from 1 to 21. Number 4, natural logarithm. ln of 2, ln of 3, ln of 4. These are natural logarithms, okay, in your general mathematics. It starts from 2 to 4. Or, sabi nga natin, napansin nyo, x ang ginamit dyan, no? Or, you can say that ln of x plus 1, if x starts from 1, then mag-end sa 3. Okay, so this is your first, second, and third, kaya 3. It starts from 2, sabi nung ang sagot, and then this must be 2, 3, and 4. So, kaya ito 4. Okay, and in number 5, a natural exponential, and that is e raised to I plus I. E raised to I starts from 2, okay. Yeah, when I is 2, this is 2 raised to 2, plus 2. I is 3, okay. Nakikita natin sequence, 3 and 3. Ay, doble to. So, dapat wala to. Okay. Then, e raised to 4 plus 4. In sigma notation class, meron tayong mga properties. Okay? The first property is about property for constant. So, sabi naman ng rule na ito, we let C be any constant except 0. So, the summation of C from I equals M to N is equal to C times N minus M plus 1. So, in this case class, nire-repeat natin yung constant C and kukunin natin ang sum niya. Then, ang rule ay yan. So, how do we apply the rule? Example, summation of summation of 3 from I to 10. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito, ang M mo dito ay 1, ang N mo ay 10. So, magiging M, this is N, minus M plus 1. Yun ang sinasabi nito. Kaya 10 minus 1 plus 1 gives you 10. 10, 3 times 10 now is 30. Or class, sa madaling salita, 10 times 3 is 30. Provided that I starts from 1. However, if that starts from not 1, let's say 2, mag-subtract ka lang. Diba? Ang N natin ay 7 dito sa number 2. Ang I natin nag-start sa 2. So, the number before 2 is 1. Diba? We know that kung nag-start ka sa 2, may tinanggal na isa. So, yung isa na yan, isang 5 ang natanggal, no? You should have 35. 7 times 5 should be 35. May isa natanggal kaya naging 30. So, in other sense, okay? In other sense, class, tinanggal mo 1. So, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Kaya magiging 6 times 5. Also, for example, you have summation of 5, 7, tapos it starts from 3. The number before 3 is 2. This will become 5 times 7 minus 2. So this is 5 times 5, 25. Okay? Another, the summation of 11 from, let's say, from 4 to 10. Okay? The number before 4 is 3. Tanggalin ng 3 sa 10. So, 11 times 10 minus 3. So, 11 times 7. The answer is 77. Okay? So, ganun lang yung sinasabi nitong rule. Take note, class, hindi lang very malilit pa yung number na nakikita nyo kasi posible magkaroon tayo ng number na like 100 and let's say, what is the summation of 3, no, up to 100? I starts from 10. So, this will now be 100 minus the number before 10 here is 9, minus 9 times 3. So this will now be 91, no? Times 3 is equal to 273. Your answer must be 273. Now the second rule tells us that when you keep on repeating naman yung kabaliktaran naman nito, class, I starts from 1, I naman ito. So yung order yung naging formula or rule. Summation of I from 1 to n, the formula daw is this. Okay? N times n plus 1 over 2. Ang n na yan, that is the final term. Provided, class, you started from 1. So just like this in number 1. I starts, summation of I from 1 to 10, then your n here is equal to 10. So 10 times 10 plus 1, so 11 times 10, no? Well, this becomes 10 divided by 2 becomes 5, and 5 times 11 is 55. Okay? Pero kung nag-start ka sa 2, pero nakikita nyo to manual ang pagkakalagay, no? Manual yung pagkakalagay. 2, 3, 4, 5, then that is equal to 14. Ibig sabihin, ni-remove mo lang, instead sana ang sagot, if that is supposedly I starting from 1 to 5, supposedly your answer must be 5 times 5 plus 1 divided by 2, di ba? So 6 divided by 2, this is 3. So this must be 15, no? If you started from 1, I starts from 1. And since you started from 2, ni-remove natin yung 1, kaya naging 14. Kaya ito ay 14. Okay? So, alimbawa, magbigay tayo ng malalaking numbers. Example, you're going to get, what is the summation of I I starts from 5, let's say 5 to 10. Normally, you can have manual kasi open ang calculator nyo. It's 8 plus 9 plus 10, no? This can be your first option. So, 11 plus 7, 18. So, this is already 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Your answer is 40, 45, no? Pero you might think of this. Pwede ka mag-breakdown dyan. Breakdown mo into summation of I starts from 1 to 4. Sorry. I starts from 1 to 10. Tapos tatanggalin mo yung I starts from 1 to 4. Mula kay 1 to 10 para makuha mo tong 5 to 10. So, this can be another way, no? So, n mo na dito ay 10. So, you have 10 times 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 2 minus 4 na ang n mo sa isa naman. 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. 10 and 2, 5. 5 times 11 is 55 minus, okay, 2 and 4 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So, nakuha mo pa rin ay 45. Okay? That can be another option to you. Now, in number 3 naman, class, kapag nagkataon daw na there is a constant multiplied to a given function that is expressed as a function of I, ang gagawin mo dyan, class, ihiwalay mo yung constant. So, for example, here, there is constant 3. Instead na isama mo siya sa buong operation, tanggalin mo muna siya, ihiwalay mo muna siya, so nakalabas ang 3. So, this one can be written as the summation of I, or 3 thrice the summation of I from 1 to 10. So, tinan nyo yung difference niya. From 1 to 10. So, kaya nakalabas yung 3 dito. And it follows the rule in number 2, no? Summation of I. Kaya nangyari dyan, ang n natin ay 10. 10, this is 11. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 times 11 is 55. 55 times 3 is 165. In number 2, labas mo yung 2. Okay? Kaya nakalabas siya dito. And then, 2 to 5. So, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 14 times 2 is 28. Okay? Constant ihiwalay. In number 4, definitely, when you add, when you subtract, pwede daw naman na maghiwalay. No? Ihiwalay mo meantime. If you have binomial, trinomial, o ilan man yan, basta gayahin mo lang daw ang summation na to, you carry that, and whatever is the operation, let's say this is subtraction, then this must also be subtraction. It can be extended that way. Okay? The proof is here, pero it can be extended into subtraction. So, katulad nito ang number 1, instead na pagsamahin mo lagi ang 2i plus 3, ay pwede mong hiwalay si 2i. So, ito siya. And then the other is 3, constant. Okay? Ang advantage naman nito, mas liliit ang buong operation or process. Okay? 2i, so nandun na naman si constant na 2, ihiwalay mo si 2. And then, n is equal to 10 here, follows the second rule. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 11 is 55. 55 times 2 is 110. Okay. 3 times 10 naman dito sa constant is 30. The answer is 140. The same with that, in number 2, hiwalay ang k, and then k squared. So, k starts from 1 to 3. So, n is equal to 3. Bakit? Yung index mo mismo yung naging operation. So n starts from 3. N is 3. So 3 times n plus 1. So 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 gives us 6. Dito naman sa k squared, k starts from 1. So square natin yung bawat sunod-sunod na sequence, no? 1 squared, k is 2. 2 squared, k is 3. 3 squared. So 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14. 6 plus 14 now is 20. And so with number 3, separate 2 and 3p. Doon na naman si 3p, wala yung constant na 3. And do the process. Okay? So 2 times 4 is 8. Simply constant rule. And, ayan, waiting si 3. O, p ang ginamit natin dito class. So p ito, ginaya na naman natin ng index. So n is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Kaya to 38. All other examples are found here. Okay? And you can just check that out. Now here, how do you write? Writing a sum in sigma notation. Kapag hindi natin nakita yung ellipsis class, then ika-count lang natin kung ilan yung terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya ito ay 4. And how did we get 3n? Kasi when n is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. When n is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. And when n is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. N is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. Pero, kapag naglagay na tayo ng ellipsis na ganyan class, ay papalitan natin yung 4 ng infinity. That suggests class na infinite yung number of terms. Or the sequence is infinite itself. Okay? Number 3, that is simply 2n minus 1. The sequence in number 3 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. When n is 1, 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. N is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. N is 3, 6 minus 1 is 5. N is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7. N is 5, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay? Pero kapag nagkaroon siya ng ellipsis, here, you see here ellipsis now, it's time for us to place infinity. So we place infinity if we have infinite number of, well, we see that's a symbol for and so on, or ellipsis, may infinity. Pag wala yan, ibig sabihin, alam natin, may ending. Okay? There is also this factorials you really need to understand as we move to binomial theorem. And I know marunong kayo dito and you can apply with the use of your calculator. N factorial class is n times decrease 1 kay n, decrease 1 kay n minus 1 kaya naging n minus 2 down to 1. O sa madaling salita, if you have 6 factorial, 6 minus 1 is 5. Copy muna yung mismo n. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. Minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 5 is 1. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And do not forget that 0 factorial is simply 1. Okay? So you can see here 5 factorial can be written as 5 times 4 factorial. Or can be written this way, or you can have 4 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Okay? And so you can evaluate. You can simplify using factorials. Because 5 factorial can be written as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. So remove 3 factorial here. So the answer is 20. Okay? Here naman, dito sa number 2, we can observe na the largest factorial here is 8 factorial in the denominator. So, pwede natin tanggalin immediately. So, anong natira? 12, 11, 10, 9 sa numerator. And rearranging the numbers. Factoring 12 gives us 4 times 3. Factoring 10 gives us 2 times 5. And we observe that 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2. Then we can remove these numbers here. So that left are 11, 5, and 9. Multiplying them, getting the product 495. In number 3, we can immediately remove 4 factorial mula kay 6 factorial. So 6 times 5. However, 3 factorial is simply 6. That is 3 times 2, 6. So remove na to. Your answer is 5. And so, factorial summation notations are all needed for us to understand, no, sequence, series, and means.